So if you got some signing from Haruna Idrisu and you are not able to do verification on computer, it's largely not your problem, it is our problem. I have been having some consultation with my colleagues from Egypt who have established far advanced how a digital signature register can operate, and we will be learning from that best practice to implement it in Ghana. But you still must be seen making the best use of the ICT infrastructure generally. I'm aware that before the end of this year, we would have connected at least 54 MGAs to some fiber and satellite, which should make your operations much more easier depending upon the area where you are operating from, in order to facilitate that. And you also expressed concern about the lending rates. It remains a challenge to you, the leaders of that industry. To Ishak, you know, as usual of him, he raised a very provocative issue. As a member of government, when he said Tamoya Refinery and Ghana Commercial Bank, I was uncomfortable. But sincerely, you see, for him, discipline. For us, if there is shortage of petrol, we cannot explain to the Ghanaian people other than say that we have failed to make petroleum products available. It does come at a cost, but I accept your challenge that we need to reform our state banking institutions in order that they will become much more responsive and disciplined, and to avoid the needless scandals that they are associated with, particularly even in the regime of non-recovery of some of the huge loans that they give out without essential guarantees and security. So that is well noted. He's challenging the banking sector generally. Yes, you are growing, your contribution to GDP is very encouraging, but you must do more. The issue of how less you do for agriculture was at the thrust of his presentation, and your poor delivery to the SMEs. My final comment, Chairman's closing remark, your social responsibility, the banks. These days, we don't hear too much of you. All of you are associated largely with how you survive the ever-growing competition within the banking sector. You will need to discharge that much more honorably as you used to, in identifying some social interventions that can be rewarding to the people of Ghana. So we encourage you to rethink the discharge and exercise of your social responsibility. I believe this should be my closing remarks. I thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so very much. Thank you. We're gradually coming to the end of the program. Just a couple of announcements to all banks.
Mr. Chairman, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. I believe you'll all agree with me that this has been a successful event, a short one, and I'm happy about that. And it couldn't have been done without you, and we are so grateful to all of you for coming, especially Mr. Chairman. Thank you so much for chairing this occasion. It's been wonderful. Thank you very much, Mr. Haruna Idrisu, Honorable Haruna Idrisu. And also to you, Mr. Ishak Diwan, Country Director, World Bank. Thank you so much for being with us this evening. And to all the representatives of banks and the CEOs, we are grateful to you for being with us here this evening too. And to all our sponsors, we really appreciate the continuous support, and we want to say thank you very much for being with us. And also to you, ladies and gentlemen, I wish I could mention individual names. We are not that much, but I wish I could. We are, however, not constrained by time. We are just within time, and that's very good. And I'd like to say thank you very much for your presence here. It's been wonderful to have all of you here. And I wish you a very good evening and have a pleasant evening. Thank you very much.